Hey friends, I have some exciting news from Norwex today. Now, if you've ever deep cleaned your Norwex microfiber, or maybe you've wondered, how do I keep it working like new? This video is for you. Now, Norwex continues to innovate and improve the products that we rely on, not just to clean our homes without chemicals, but also to care for our microfiber so it lasts for many years. One of our longtime favorites, the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster, is being retired, and it's being replaced with something even better. The new Microfiber Deep Cleaner. I love it. I've been using this for many months. It is amazing. So this is a liquid formula, which is a total game changer. It's powered by 4 enzymes and a probiotic blend that keeps working long after we're done deep soaking our cloths. And it's EWG verified, which means it meets one of the highest safety standards out there, the gold standard, truly. Let's talk about why this matters. So Norwex microfiber cloths have truly changed our lives. We've replaced so many single-use and chemical-filled products with just a few powerful cloths. They clean better, they save us money, and they help protect our families from all of this unnecessary chemical exposure. So when you've got something that valuable in your home, it makes sense to take care of it the right way. And caring for your Norwex microfiber is easy. You rinse it daily, wash it weekly, and deep clean it every few months. Deep cleaning helps remove the set-in grime and the buildup that general washing can miss. Think of it like brushing your teeth versus visiting the dentist. It reaches deeper to keep things truly clean. Now, I know not everyone loves change, and if you're thinking, wait, I really liked the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster, I get it. But think of all the upgrades and changes we've made that turned out to be totally worth it. From the chemical cleaners to switching to Norwex microfiber, from the old mop and bucket system to a Norwex mop system, and from all of our old DVDs to streaming everything on demand, the new formula is the same kind of shift for us. It's easier to use, it's more effective, and it's better for the long haul. So what makes Microfiber Deep Cleaner truly better than the old powder? So this has 4 enzymes and probiotics for a deeper, long-lasting clean. It has a liquid formula which dissolves instantly, so there's no clumps, no mixing. It also has stronger degreasing power, especially for our kitchen cloths, our mop pads, body and face cloths. It's 78% bio-based, and it comes in this bottle which is made from 50% recycled plastic. We also get more uses per bottle with a lower cost per use, so it's more budget-friendly too. It's safer, it's smarter, and it helps our microfiber last even longer. So I want to tell you how it fits into my routine. So I use the PowerZyme Laundry Detergent for all of my regular laundry. It's plant-based, enzyme-powered, dermatologist-tested, and 91% bio-based. It tackles the stains, the odors, the grease, the grime, even things like pasta sauce and chocolate without all the gunk. And then I use the Microfiber Deep Cleaner once a month to once every 3 months, or as needed, to reset all of my cloths, the mop pads, the enviro cloths, the body cloths. Together, these two, in my opinion, make a perfect team. They've also simplified my laundry room. They keep everything fresh, effective, and ready to perform again and again like new. Now, the Microfiber Deep Cleaner isn't just a replacement. In my opinion, it's a major upgrade. It helps us take care of one of the most important swaps we've ever made in our home to our Norwex microfiber. Now, you can grab the new Deep Cleaner today, and if you haven't tried the PowerZyme yet, I strongly suggest you give this a try too. It's the perfect time to simplify our laundry routines. So please drop any questions you have below, and I'm happy to help answer those. I hope this video was informative and helpful, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.